basic rights as we grow into a economic and political powerhouse in the international era. The rights and opportunities that have been provided for all of us in the constitution are also giving that right. Additionally, women have taken the center stage by gradually moving into the workforce and getting career oriented. However, mental, physical, and sexual harassment continuously to be a way of life for most of them. It is in these contexts that here of legal rights men, mandatory of Indian law gain signature of that right. These rights are as under right to equal pay means according to provisions under the Equal Remuneration Act, one cannot be discriminated on the basis of sexual when it comes to salary or wages. Then second one, right against harassment at work. The Enhancement of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act gives you the right to file a complaint against sexual harassment at workplace. Point number third, right to anonymity. Victims of sexual assault have a right to anonymity to ensure that her privacy is protected. A woman who has been sexually assaulted by record her statement alone before the district magistrate when the case is under trial or in process of the female police officer. Then right number 4, right against domestic violence. The act looks to protect a wife, a female live in partner, or woman living in a household like a mother, sister, from domestic violence at the hands of a husband, male, live in partner, or relatives. She or anybody on her behalf can file a complaint. Right number 4, right to maternity benefits. Maternity benefits are not merely a privilege of the working woman, they are a right. The Maternity Benefit Act ensures that the new mother does not suffer any loss of earning following a period of 12 weeks after the delivery, allowing her to rejoin the work. Right number 6, right against right right number 6, okay, right against female feticide. Female feticide, it is a duty imposed on every citizen of India to allow a woman to experience the most basic of all right, the right to life, the conception and prenatal diagnosis technique. Act PCPNDT ensure her right against female feticide. Then right number 7, right to free legal aid. All female rape victims have the right to free legal aid under the Legal Services Authorities Act. It is maternity for the station house of officer to inform the legal services authority who arranges the lawyer. And right number 8, right not to be arrested at night. A woman cannot be arrested after sunset and before sunrise except in an exceptional cases on the record or on the order of first class magistrate. Right number 9, right to dignity and decency. In the event that an accused in a woman, any medical examination procedure on her must be performed by or in the presence of another woman. Right number 10 and last, right to property. In Hindu Succession Act allow women and men